Hello friends, Music Mama here, and I wanted to let you know you are about to watch a new video from Music Mama and Mother's Heartlight Music. I hope with all my heart you enjoy it and have fun. Thank you. These are examples of closed captioning, and very often they make mistakes. Welcome to Big Bear. Hello, Big Bear. Good morning. It is a beautiful day after the rainstorm. And this is more footage I forgot to add to my rainy day weekend in Big Bear movie. Silly Mama, huh? Did Mama leave something out of the movie?
Yes, Mama. You left something out, but you can always put it back in now.
Meanwhile, inside, cool. There's a fire going. The dogs are happy because I opened the toy box. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. You got a toy there, huh? Looks like you're upside down. Uh-oh. Maybe instead of mistake, we should call it a miscommunication.
Upside down world where a boy is a girl and a cat is a dog and my sister's a frog. What a wonderful world turned upside down. A smile upside down is a frown. A painter would dance, a dancer could sing. My room would be neat, this crab apple is sweet. I could get used to this wonderful sight. I'd stay up all day every night. Trees could be flowers and birds could be bees. Kids could go flying with ease. Right side up on the flying trapeze. Upside down on the flying trapeze.
I'm right side up. I'm upside down. I'm right side up. I'm upside down. I'm right side up. I'm upside down.
Here comes,
And now, boys and girls of all ages, presenting the Upside Down Kid!
and occasionally you may run into problems with your equipment. This is sort of interesting, that as you are going along the slide, oh no, That's what I was talking about. I had some great footage, and then this happened. And there was no way that I could figure out to fix it. That sounded like a hungry lion or a wolf. Whatever it wasn't as pretty as what's coming next. I have 2 channels on YouTube. This one is Music Mama Makes Movies, and I have the option to switch the account to my other channel. Then you want to view your channel. Boy, am I learning about this stuff. Okay, we've got your channel. Whoa, there it is. Okay, let's see the channel. And there it is. Now, I changed, this is called a banner. This is a banner. And this is your profile picture. So I don't know why this plays every time I open it. So you have your banner, your profile picture, how many subscribers you have, options to customize the channel, you have your descriptions and your videos listed. Sorry about the shaking of the camera, I took it off the tripod. So here you have video options, and you can scroll through which video you want to watch. Nice. Okay, I think it's better on the tripod. Hello there, Music Mama here. I've got my little friend Ginny. We just wanted to say good night and thank you for watching our new video.